Hi, hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Don't touch.
Hello. I wish we could get on the tree. Hello.
They're like my favorite birds.
They're macaws, right, Andrew?
Let me get some.
There.
I think it's a good idea.
I fed it.
Not allowed to.
Honey, she took his hay.
Be
I know.
quiet.
Be
Oh,
quiet.
it's like a little rose.
No, I want it.
Look, they're gonna fight over
They're gonna
it.
fight over it. Oh, they split it.
Oh, how nice. This is a good lesson,
Look
Brandon.
at their little black tongues. They're so
Yeah.
cute.
They're so cute.
We love you. Can you say I love you? I love you. I love you. Look, they like that, Sammy.
I'm so smart.
Like Luna.
My buddy who ate herself.
Sammy's really ate herself.
Sounds like Woody Woodpecker. Ah. Bye-bye.
Bah-hum-bum.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, here we go.
He wants to leave us with a thing.
Oh, look, he's scratching his head. How cute is that? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at that one. Look at that one.
He's showing off. Look at you, Brandon. You dancing with your parrot?
Dance with the parrots. Yeah, yeah.
And I'm dancing with the
Jewish
parrot.
rap.
Oi,
I'm dancing
oi.
with the parrot.
Look at Buzz.
Look at Buzz.
Bird. Look at this bird.
Look what he's doing, Sammy. Look.
Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look at the bird.
He's Buzz.
It's copying.
Buzz
The
Lightyear.
bird is copying Brandon.
To infinity
Look, the
and
bird's
beyond.
copying Brandon.
The bird's copying.
Brandon, get your fingers out of your mouth. It's dirty.
He's going down.
He is climbing down.
Hello.
Okay, shall we move on to the next?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Maybe they'll have monkeys.
Bye-bye. Bye, Jackyll and Hyde.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.